Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Open art lab book page number 8. Expression. We need color pencils or crayon in material. Write HW here. Faces given below are showing different expression. We will copy each one. Start from here. This is smiley face. Use purple color. Complete this face as shown in the picture. I am using color pencil. You can use crayon. Choice is your. Make close eyes and smile like this. Yes. Color neatly. Now I am using orange color to make naughty face. Like this. Draw hair like this. Yes. Yes. Color neatly and properly. Draw eyes. Close eyes. Now smile. And naughty. Touch like this. Now I am using blue color to make laughing face. Yes, like this. Make eyes. Yes. Okay, like this. Yes. Now I am using pink color to make sad face like this. Draw here. Yes. Okay. Are you doing with me? Yes. Like this. Now draw a sad face. Now I have completed. Do it on your book. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.